peanut butter.
Yeah, and then you melt chocolate, and you're just gonna lower it into the chocolate.
You put it into the chocolate hot tub, right?
Yeah. Ooh, the Girl Scouts go.
Your head just exploded,
nice
right?
And covered like that. Yeah, it does kind of remind you of a certain Girl Scout cookie.
Well, I got kicked out of the Girl Scouts, so I actually dig these.
I only stayed in Girl Scouts till we got to sell the cookies, and then I quit right after. I just wanted to sell cookies.
But we love Girl Scouts, and they did give me my own badge years later.
So you let them set up, and they come out like this.
Adorable.
These will last like 2 weeks in an airtight container.
Adorable.
So if you want to make them and give them as gifts,
and if you don't bake,
great.
what a great thing to give.
Yeah.
Exactly.
And look, you open them up.
I'm never hot dog them.
So good.
I love pigs.
I love chocolate and peanut butter. Okay. Eggnog fake out. Here we go. Eggnog's one of those things that you always worry about. Oh, is somebody gonna get salmonella from the eggs, whatever. I have the greatest fake out for you. Get a tub of vanilla ice cream, let it melt, put it in a bowl, add bourbon.
Wow.
Heck yeah, girl.
It doesn't get any easier, does it? Okay,
Nutmeg?
so now, put the nutmeg in there. Add some nutmeg to it. You can add some cinnamon to it. Get all that good holiday
Oh my God,
flavor.
that is some high-test melted ice cream.
Yeah. Gonna pour it into our pitcher.
I love it.
Nice.
And then put it into your serving glasses and add a cinnamon stick.
Cinnamon.
And that's it.
Katie.
Fake out.
Cinnamon. Cinnamon.
So we have you totally covered from hors d'oeuvres,
Sonny, you got
desserts,
Katie. Here.
cocktails.
Thank you.
Shout out to GZ. It's 5
Cheers.
o'clock.
Celebrate.